listen at your life. You're a discontented mother and a rich, inventive wife. I know that you dream about the things you'll never do, but I wish someone had to talk to me like I wanna talk to you. Oh, I've been to Georgia and California, oh, anywhere I could run. Took the hand of a preacher man and we made love in the sun. But I ran out of places and friendly faces because I had to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. This lady, don't just walk away, 'cause I have this need to tell you why I'm all alone today. I can see so much of me still living in your eyes. Won't you share a part of a weary heart that has lived a million lies? Oh, I've been to Nice and the Isle of Grace, where I see champagne on the yacht. I moved like Harlow in Monte Carlo and showed them what I've got. I've been in just like kings, and I've seen some things that a woman is supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Hey, you know what paradise? It's a lie, a fantasy we create about people and places as we'd like them to be. But you know what truth is? Is that little baby you're holding? Is that man you fought with this morning the same one you're going to make love with tonight? That's true. Sometimes I begin to cry, for I'm